Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. If you're someone who's on the hunt for a mascara that promises volume, long-lasting wear, and all the right formulas for sensitive eyes, this review is for you. I've been testing out the Wet n Wild Mascara Mega Volume, and trust me, you'll want to hear my take on this one. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an honest beauty review from Beautyistic. This mascara comes with some big claims. It promises not just volume, but also a smudge-resistant, waterproof formula that's enriched with vitamin E to give your lashes a little extra love. And of course, we're talking about a cruelty-free, gluten-free, sulfate-free, and vegan product, making it a great choice for those looking for cleaner beauty options. But does it actually live up to its hype? Let's take a closer look. The Wet n Wild Mascara Mega Volume features a full spiral fiber brush designed for quick formula loading, which claims to give your lashes that mega volume effect. The brush is designed to coat every lash evenly, which, as a mascara lover, is always a win for me. When I first tried it, the formula glided on smoothly without clumping, which is always a relief when you're after that voluminous look without looking like you have spider lashes. Now, let's talk about performance. I used this mascara for a full day, both at work and during a night out. The smudge-resistant formula really delivered. After several hours of wear, I didn't notice any raccoon eyes or flaking, which can sometimes happen with other waterproof formulas. The fact that it's waterproof also made it perfect for those sweaty, humid days or unexpected rain showers, without needing to worry about your lashes losing their lift. And the best part? It didn't irritate my eyes at all. As someone who wears contact lenses, finding a mascara that's both ophthalmologist tested and safe for contact wearers is essential. The formula feels gentle, and the addition of vitamin E ensures that my lashes stay soft, moisturized, and protected from potential damage. Now, of course, no product is perfect, and while I love the volume it gave me, I did notice that the brush can be a bit tricky to work with if you're not careful. If you're in a rush, it can get a little messy, and the product might transfer to the lid. But with a little extra care, it's easy to get the results you're after. So what are the pros and cons of this mascara? On the pro side, you're getting a volumizing effect that's long-lasting and smudge-resistant, along with a formula that's gentle on the eyes. It's also cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free, which is always a plus. However, on the con side, the brush could be a little difficult to manage for beginners or anyone in a rush. And if you're someone who loves ultra-precise application, it might take a few extra swipes to get it just right. Is this mascara worth the price? Well, for its performance and the fact that it's formulated without harsh chemicals or allergens, I'd say it offers great value for money. It delivers volume and it stays in place throughout the day, all while being gentle on the eyes. At this price point, I think it's a great option for anyone looking for a budget-friendly mascara that still delivers on its promises. In comparison to other mascaras in the same price range, this one really stands out. You'd be hard-pressed to find a more affordable option with such a clean ingredient list that still delivers decent performance. If you're someone who doesn't mind spending a little more for luxury mascaras, there are higher-end options that might offer a sleeker, more precise application, but for an everyday mascara, this one checks all the boxes. When it comes to build quality, the mascara itself is packaged well and the tube feels solid. I've had it for a few weeks now, and it hasn't dried out or lost its effectiveness. In terms of longevity, the formula remains intact through sweat, humidity, and even a little crying during an emotional movie night. We've all been there. Now, let me ask you, is this review helpful? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer support, I haven't had direct experience with Wet n Wild's service, but the brand has a reputation for being responsive and handling customer inquiries well. For such a large brand, it's reassuring to know that they prioritize customer satisfaction. As for product alternatives, there are certainly other affordable mascaras out there that could work for you, especially if you're someone who needs extra volume and length. If you're looking for something with a similar price tag, you might want to check out brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal, which also offer great mascaras with volumizing formulas. But honestly, if you're after a vegan, cruelty-free option, Wet n Wild stands out in its category. In conclusion, the Wet n Wild Mascara Mega Volume does what it says it will. It gives you volume, it stays in place, and it's formulated with ingredients that are gentle on the eyes. If you don't mind a brush that takes a little practice and you want a mascara that can handle a busy day, this could be your next go-to. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.